here with a tap.
Yes.
Musa, see, many peacocks are there.
Yes.
They're of different colors.
Why we can go inside?
No, we can't go inside, Musa.
Yes.
If we go inside, the peacocks will be scared. Musa, that peacock, look that.
Yes.
Showing its wings.
Yes. He can fly also.
Yes, Musa.
You can fly or survive.
No.
Why you
Musa,
can
look. The peacock climbed up. It's looking very beautiful, mashallah.
Yes. But it is not water by.
Yes.
But this is park actually.
This is park? This is not park, Musa. Musa, that looks like a parrot. That's a parrot. Yes, Musa?
Yes, we can go inside.
Musa, we can't go. The parrot will get scared. It's climbing the net. Oh, this peacock. It's
Yes.
walking.
Yes.
Let's see where it goes.
Yes. We can go.
Oh, it's showing its wings. Wow. So
Masala.
beautiful. Yes. Musa, look this red bird. It has a very, very long tail. Musa, there are many birds. Musa, that's hen. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.